welcome back to my channel. I'm Christina, founder of Jouer Cosmetics, lover of all things beauty, obviously fashion, traveling, packing. Those are my passions, and today I am going to show you how to pack for a long weekend using only a few items, most of which are from Reformation, which is one of my favorite brands. Most of the items are really small, lightweight, wrinkle resistant, easy to travel with, sustainable, which I love, generally just beautiful, pretty, romantic, feminine. They've got a great aesthetic, which I adore. I am packing for a weekend away, not too hot, but like not too cold. I will tell you everything that I've packed, and it's all gonna fit in my little duffel bag, so you can just throw it in the car, throw it over your shoulder, and go. The first thing I am packing are a pair of jeans because they just work for any circumstance, and Reformation makes fantastic denim. These are a pair of medium waist jeans that have a raw hem, which is kind of fun. They have a medium wash, a medium waist, and an unfinished hem, and they're just really cute, straight-legged, easy to wear, comfortable. I'm gonna show you how I would wear them for the day and for the evening. The first way I'm wearing them is with this striped Audrey tee. This tee is quintessentially French, so adorable. It is a striped boat neck t-shirt. The reason why I like this over other striped tees is because the boat neck is really pretty and wide and feminine. This is a very French t-shirt. I feel like I could be strolling down a piazza in Italy, or of course in the south of France. I am wearing this with my sneakers. I have a pair of silver sneakers that I'm obsessed with right now. The silver sneakers are just a fun way to liven up the outfit. Silver sneakers are really in right now. They go with the jeans, they go with anything you really want to wear, even a little dress. Like, it's just a little fun throw on pair of shoes. I'm bringing 3 pairs of shoes on this trip. That's it, no more. 1 pair of sneakers, 1 pair of kitten heel sandals, and 1 flat sandal for running around. The way I wear the jeans a little bit dressy is by adding a beautiful blouse. Blouse is so incredibly beautiful. I love it beyond. It has lace trim all throughout, little buttons, and it even has a lace trim on the back. It's just so feminine and beautiful. I like to wear black when I travel. Just a no-brainer. I can just put it on and go. I know that I'm gonna look okay. This with the jeans and the little kitten heel is the perfect little dinner out. You're going for tapas or a little wine bar. You don't need to be overdressed. You don't need to put a dress on. You just wanna like up the game a little bit. This is perfect. And I'm throwing over my shoulders a little cardigan. This is a black cardi. It's a slim fit, which means it's not gonna be too bulky and oversized, but it literally goes over everything and just makes everything a little bit warmer, a little bit more comfortable. You never know what kind of air conditioning you're going to be dealing with. The next item I'm going to talk about is a dress. Going from that black lace blouse, you're going to understand why I love this dress so much. This is a short sleeve lace dress. It is so feminine and beautiful and easy to wear. It just glides over the body. It's not tight, it's not form-fitting, but it's also not too loose and baggy, so you look pulled together. It's got the most beautiful like little ruffled sleeve. It's got these little lace inserts all throughout. I just absolutely love it. The first way I wore it was with a pair of sandals. So these sandals have a mix of silver and gold and really easy to walk around town. They're flat, but they stay on, they're comfortable, and Reformation makes great shoes. So these are a little pair. I kind of just feel like these are a piece of the south of France. I'm gonna wear these all summer long. I adore them. This black lace dress I think can be worn running around town in the daytime, but also is really pretty when you throw on the black kitten heel at night. This has about a 1.5 inch heel. It's got a nice big kind of squared toe box and these little straps. You can wear this shoe with jeans, with dresses, with skirts, with anything. It's not so dressy that you're towering in big 4-inch heels. If you're on cobblestone streets, you're gonna be able to wear these. If you are running and taking public transportation, you're gonna feel comfortable in these. You don't feel like you're overly dressed, or you know, sometimes if you're wearing 4-inch heels and you're getting on a subway or a metro or something, it just feels awkward. You're not gonna draw a ton of attention to yourself, but you're gonna feel a little bit dainty, a little bit feminine, and pulled together. So these are the shoes that I've brought for this trip, and they definitely go with this little black lace dress, which I adore. The next day, we're gonna be wearing a pair of black pants. Always travel with a pair of black pants. in some way, shape, or form, you must always have a pair of black pants on you. These are a sort of menswear trouser, just a button, a zipper, some great pockets, belt loops if you want to wear a belt. I'm wearing these with a basic white t-shirt. This is not Reformation, this is Amazon. I will link it all below. And my silver sneakers, which I think is just a fun, easy, casual look. The silver sneakers just make everything look cool and pulled together. They're hard to find, but I will find a link. I'm doing my best. I will put it down below, of course, as well as everything else. With the wardrobe that I've brought, another really cute way to wear the black pants is with the Audrey striped tee. I've paired that with the sandals. This is a very cute running around, going to lunch, sightseeing, it's warm, you've got your sandals on, it's the perfect little outfit. And of course, with these black pants, once again, if you want to dress them up, you can put your beautiful black blouse with the lace inset over it. So feminine, always an all black silhouette works. For me, it does. It just always feels pulled together. And even if you wanted to, you could just put the black cardigan on, call it a night. Just wear that, like buttoned up, put your kitten heels on, you are good to go. Next, we have a dress that is just so perfect for running around the city. It is such a beautiful, romantic, feminine silhouette. It's flattering and it really cinches you in. This is a little black sundress. This is a linen, but it's not a super wrinkly linen. And if you're worried about traveling with the linen, there's always an iron in a hotel room if you need it. I never really worry about it because of the way that I pack. I fold as flat as possible and make very strategic folds, which always seems to work. This one has a gathered back, so it's got a little bit of smocking in the back, a zipper, so it's got some room to grow. Definitely has that little bit of give, which is really comfortable. Got this little balconette neckline. I don't know what the neckline is called, but it's just really pretty with a little bow, and it's long and it's flowing and it's easy. I'm showing it with my sandals, silver and gold sandals. They look effortless with it. It's just the perfect little outfit for running around the city. You can throw your jean jacket over it. You can throw your black cardigan over it. Doesn't matter. It just worked. And then at night, obviously, we're gonna throw the kitten heels on because that's what we're doing, and it just elevates it and makes it look really pretty and appropriate for going out to a nice dinner. So you can go a little bit dressier with this dress because it shows a little bit of skin and it's got that beautiful silhouette to it, which kind of elevates it a little bit. But you can also run around in the city if you want to wear your sneakers with this, you absolutely can. The last thing we are going to talk about is what I am wearing right now, which is a dress that I found on Reformation, and I just loved it. Easy, cute. It's got the one-shouldered. It's a long dress, has a big full skirt. You can wear it casually. You can wear it with the sandals. It's a really great look, especially if you stack some bracelets with it. This dress is just really flattering and beautiful, and I'm imagining if you're going away for this long weekend, maybe it's for somebody's wedding, or maybe there's a special evening happening and you're just gonna throw this on your bag, and it's a little bit dressier than everything else you have. Just elegant and beautiful. All of these items are available on Reformation. I have got everything linked below. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment. That does so much for the algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.